Happy Tuesday, everybody. Just want to give you a quick market update of my view. I know I made a comment on a COT data from VIX. VIX is the volatility index. Some may call it the fear index, okay? So let me show you what I see on there. From the picture, we can see large accumulation on the long contract. Typically, is a warning for market declines. We can see some gray signal from previous year. Here you can see in 2020, VIX long contract dramatically increased, and then a few weeks later, the pandemic came. So the correction was quite large over there. 2019 we saw increase and a small correction. 2018 large increase, and a few weeks later S&P had a correction as well. So we are seeing something similar in the last 2 weeks. The commercial contract keep on increasing. Therefore, I'm preparing there may be a correction in the stock market. This does not mean stock market will go down immediately, and the chart does suggest we may have some short-term bullish momentum. Sounds a bit confusing, doesn't it? Let me go into the chart and hopefully you can understand a little bit more. On S&P 500, we're seeing some selling. So with a daily phase to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days selling, okay? Currently still selling at the moment, but dropping down to a smaller time frame. We are seeing maybe a potential head and shoulder forming up. I put a short-term resistance line around this area, 3,903. So a break above and a retest. I'm happy to go long short term, okay? Due to what I saw from the COT data on VIX, I don't want to hold this position, a long position for a long period of time. So potentially maybe a double top around the monthly R2 would be somewhere as my take profit very short term, okay? Going to Nasdaq, it's been selling the hardest. Ooh, it's trying to break the support line at the moment. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Yeah, smaller time frame is maybe still forming potential inverted head and shoulder. We shall see this afternoon. I also saw something yesterday from Bitcoin. It's selling quite hard on Bitcoin. On the Nasdaq, it was selling very hard as well. Do you think we're seeing some sort of a correlation from tech stock to crypto? Drop me a comment below if you see something similar. Going to the Forex space, let's go to the dollar index. Dollar index at the moment, you can see from the chart, it's broken the support line, ends below the monthly pivot level. So I'm seeing some short-term bearish momentum in there, but the question is, how hard is the selling momentum will continue? The last low was around the 89 area. We can potentially see some buyers step back in that area. So there's not a lot of reward to risk around this area for me. Euro dollar is still below the monthly pivot at the moment. So until it's clear above, then I'll take a long position. To go short on euro dollar, we shall see. To be honest with you, I'm not seeing an awful lot of opportunity on the Forex space. There's only one particular chart that comes to my interests. Kiwi dollar. Daily we can see we broke this resistance area. Still seeing some bullish momentum in here. Dropping down to smaller time frame is where I want to find a safe, elegant entry using pivot level and support resistance zone. I find this S1 daily support level 1 coincide with this top channel line, which I set a limit order in there and stop loss tucked behind the daily S2. Profit just under the blue box, okay? So that's pretty much for me on the trading side this week. The market is very limited, so my trade will be very selective. if it's nothing come to me this week, I'm happy to not do any trading, because not trading is also a good trading. It's always nice to see you guys again. If you have any question, drop me a comment below. So until next time, happy trading. Thank you.